Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block an email on Hotmail. As you all know, Hotmail is now updated into Outlook. So, let's start by searching for Outlook. Now, click on the first link. You can use any browser. For now, I'm using the Chrome browser. Click on the Sign In button. And now, click on Sign In again. It will open up. Here, you can see a list of emails. Click on the email that you want to block. Let me click on this email. Now, tap on the three dots and then click on Desktop Site. This tutorial is for Android device users. Again, tap on the three dots and here, in the list, click on Block Sender as shown in the interface. Now, click on the OK button to confirm. So, that wraps it up for today. If you guys liked this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.